I'm ashamed.
I'm not.
That's no good.
I'm gonna get wasted.
No good.
My daddy told me I was a slut when I got wasted.
How do you know that?
He knows that. How my daddy know that? My daddy
Did you
knows
see my
that.
face while drinking tea? I was like,
I get wasted with my daddy.
How does he know you're a slut?
How do you know I'm a slut?
because I'm
I had
illiterate.
sex with him.
Okay.
That's so
What?
low.
What? You ain't never had sex with your daddy?
Oh, no.
No?
No.
Well, you must know a lot.
You're missing
Yeah.
a lot.
Wanna go get some crack dolls?
Oh, I'm so ashamed.
You go get cracked down.
I ain't gonna get some crack dolls.
I'm gonna go stay sober.
Hey, I'm gonna get wasted.
I need to go to rehab.
Fuck his daddy, man.
I feel so
I
bad.
ain't gonna call his ass. He ain't paying my alimony or child support, what do you call it?
That's sad. I really didn't know what it was.
I don't care about no drag fight. Unless that drag fight made out of alcohol.
I've got some serious
Gonna say
problems.
something? That's what I thought. Crack it.